guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to make asparagus. Please stick around and watch this video. First, you want to go ahead and wash your asparagus. I've already washed mine. You just want to give this a nice wash under some cold water. And then we're going to cut off the woody part at the bottom, because this part is very tough. So you don't want to cook this part. You just want to cut this part. So we're just going to cut off the bottom part just like this. These are not edible. You can use this to make some stocks, or you can just throw them away. Turn the heat on medium high. Now that the pot is heated, I'm going to add about a tablespoon of olive oil. You could use canola oil or any oil you'd like. Add 2 cloves of garlic. Now I'm going to add the asparagus in the pot. Add a teaspoon of black pepper. Add a teaspoon of salt to give it some flavor. And I'm going to add a teaspoon of lemon pepper. And we're just going to coat this in the pot. Let everything get some coating. Let all of the asparagus coat with the lemon pepper, with the salt and black pepper. So you just want to move these around. And you see it's starting to get this nice vibrant color. It's smelling amazing. So I just want to cook this at least 5 minutes. I want it to be firm but soft when you bite it. You want it to have a nice bite to it when you're cooking it. You don't want it to be overcooked. So I'm just going to add about a teaspoon of water to let it steam. And you want to keep on moving it around in the pot like this. The garlic and the lemon pepper and the salt and ground pepper is going to give it a nice flavor. Now we're going to cover this for at least 2 minutes. Now it's time to take these out because they're finished. Gonna add some red pepper flakes. And here you have it, guys, my asparagus recipe. If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video, and also leave me a comment down below. So this is all you want the asparagus. You want it to be nice and firm but soft to chew with a nice bite to it. You want it to be nice and firm and still all in its shape, but when you bite it, you can chew it. Okay, simple and easy, only 5 minutes. See you in my next video, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.